How to use object eraser on iPhone. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use the feature of object eraser on iPhone. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly you need to choose the picture from the gallery from which you want to remove the object. So as you can see, I have taken this picture and I want to remove the background image. So you will be clicking on Tools option and then choose the option of Healing. Once you choose the option of Healing, a cursor will appear and you need to hover it around the background or the object which you want to erase. And then click on Tick. As you can see in the background, the objects are removed. So that is how easily you will be able to use the feature of object eraser on iPhone. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.